First of all, approximately 5.5 grams of potassium chloride is weighed on a balance. To make an accurate measurement of the volume of water, it is better to use a graduated cylinder rather than a beaker. The previously weighed 5.5 grams of potassium chloride are diluted in 500 milliliters of water. A magnetic stirrer is used to boost the mix. Subsequently, having the mixture already diluted, it is heated in the heater. With the solution already at the optimum temperature, it is passed to the batch reactor, a discontinuous reactor, to fully mix the solution. A batch reactor consists in a storage tank with an agitator and an integral heating cooling system. Before throwing the mixture, make sure that the other valve is completely closed to not waste anything. The raw material is supplied by the upper lid of the reactor. Vapors and gases are removed through connections in the top cover. The liquids are usually withdrawn through the bottom of the reactor. Inside batch reactors generally release or absorb heat during the process. To maintain the reactor content at the desired temperature, heat must be added or removed through a cooling jacket. Finally, 10 ml is pipeted to obtain a KCl solution that is ideal for the operation, cleaning and storage of electrodes.